What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Share channel. These days we have more and more important stuff stored on our iPhone. The photos, videos, and text messages with our families could mean everything to us. So naturally you'd get nervous when you forgot the lock screen passcode. It says iPhone is disabled, and the remaining time keeps getting longer. No worries. In this video, we'll show you 3 methods to unlock it. Key, iTunes, and Find My. No passcode will be required in the process. So, let's get into it. We'll start with Key iPhone Passcode Unlocker, a professional iOS unlock tool. So once install and open it up on our computer, click Start on the home screen. Then plug your phone in. Hit Next to proceed. Now we should see the recovery mode guide. Navigate to our device model, and then follow the steps to enter recovery mode. For iPhone 10 or later, is press and quickly release the volume up. Then press and quickly release the volume down. Then press and hold the side button till you see the Connect to Laptop icon. Then iTunes will match the latest iOS firmware for you. Download it to a location you prefer. And then, we can start unlocking. Key will remove the passcode, Face ID or Touch ID from the device. All your content and settings will be erased in this process. You can get them back if you have backup stored in iCloud or iTunes. Well done? As the unlocking came through, we'll get to the startup screen. Now we can set it up as a new device. Create a new password, and restore from our backup if we need the data back. And then, here we go. We are back on the home screen. Simple like that. Next, we'd like to walk you through removing the passcode with a restore in iTunes. iTunes doesn't give us any clue, but we'll still need to enter recovery mode first. Then it should detect the phone and suggest an update or restore. Let's choose the restore. It will be downloading the firmware automatically. And then, restoring your phone to factory settings. Just like that. Moving on to our last part, erase iPhone using Find My. This requires that you have another iOS device, use the same Apple ID, and enable the Find My. It works like this. On your another iPhone, open the Find My app. Tap Device on the bottom. Select your device in the list. Swipe up, and tap Erase this device. Go on with the options, and enter your Apple ID when prompted. And then, as you can see, your iPhone is being erased wirelessly. This process is much faster than another two. When it finished, you will see the hello screen. So guys, this is how you can unlock your iPhone when you forgot the passcode. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. See you.